Hey, it's First Friday. That means it's time for food trucks here in Clermont. So let's go check them out. So here we are at the Clermont's First Friday food truck, and there is so many food trucks with amazing food. A lot of it is Cuban or Hispanic, but there's just, other things. Huge line for the lobster sandwiches. Instead of the food trucks, we're gonna go into Montrose because there's a barbecue place in there that I've been wanting to try. So let's give that a shot. Let's talk about Leo's Barbecue at the Montrose Market in Clermont. My wife and I decided to split the brisket plate, and that included the brisket and two sides. So let's start with the brisket. Brisket was really good, super tender. You didn't have to cut it. You could just tear it apart with a fork. Very good. They only had one available flavor of barbecue sauce, and I was a little worried about that because I tend to like sweet barbecue sauce, and this barbecue sauce was perfect. So very, very good. The sides we picked, we got macaroni and cheese, had the Play-Doh crumbs and some bacon topping on it. The macaroni and cheese was excellent. Sometimes I look at macaroni and cheese when you get it in a restaurant. It can be horrible, it can be good, or it can be like knock your socks off, outstanding. This was good. This was good macaroni and cheese. The other side we got was French fries. And I haven't had French fries in a really long time. And these French fries were very, very good. Probably they tasted so good because I haven't had fries in a long time. Maybe that's why. Very good decision to stop there. And I would definitely stop in there again next time I'm in town. So that takes care of First Friday's food truck in Clermont. Thank you for watching.